Good morning, everyone. Here I am with history. This is very new to you, a very interesting subject. The topic is Maharashtra before Shivaji. Now we are going to know more about Shivaji Maharaj, a well-known personality in Maharashtra, and you people have heard about him. Now, see, he was a great Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with a great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and podas in his honor. You garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Every year in India, in Maharashtra, sorry, we celebrate Shivaji Maharaj birthday as Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti, and with great happiness people shout, people say Shivaji Maharaj की जय, and with a great pomp बहुत खुशी खुशी इनका बर्थडे बनाया जाता है महाराष्ट्र में. और एक he is a well known in Maharashtra. He was a king of Maharashtra. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of a medieval period. Now our this period time period is history जिसमें आता है ये it is divided into three: ancient, medieval and modern. Okay, ancient, medieval and modern. Ancient means बहुत पुराना, medieval means middle, and modern what is going on, modern one. So this medieval period, this Shivaji Maharaj is in. He used to live in a medieval period. So we this history we are learning is of medieval period. Okay, which is the three parts: ancient, medieval, and modern. Now in those days, monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. This was the time where the kings used to rule on the selected area. Every selected area has a different king. Okay, there was many kings in India at that time, and this period is known as the rule because there was so many kings and so many places were divided in their own state, in their own areas. Like they were divided. Many of the king pursued their own pleasure and enjoyment instead of the welfare of the civilian. बहुत सारे किंग कैसे थे, हाँ उन लोगों को खुद अच्छा अच्छा खाना है, रहना है, पीना है, उन लोगों को. Your subject means which subject? History, geography, science, English, maths? No. Your subjects means जो common people हो, common people. Your subject means common people. जो जिस पर किंग रूल करते हैं, that your this subject means that people. Okay, so but even in those days there were some kings who looked after the welfare of the subject. उस टाइम पे भी कुछ लोग ऐसे अच्छे थे कि जो लोग हमारे गरीब जनता के बारे में, सब्जेक्ट मीन्स जनता, ये अपने गरीब जनता के बारे में, अपने लोगों के बारे में अच्छा वेलफेयर अच्छा करने के लिए सोचते थे. ना मुगल एम्पायर अकबर इन द नॉर्थ एंड एम्पायर कृष्ण देव राया ऑफ विजयनगर इन द साउथ आर फेमस इन हिस्ट्री for their benevolent rule. See here they have mentioned there were many kings. छोटे बड़े आप लोग ने बहुत सारी हिस्टोरिक मूवी देखी है जिसमें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट किंग्स के बारे में आपको स्टोरी मिली. जोधा अकबर है, फिर देर आर मैनी मूवीज. आई एम मिसिंग माई स्टूडेंट्स. अगर वो लोग सामने होते तो दो तीन मूवी बताए ज़रूर होते हैं. नाउ देर आर मैनी मूवीज. अभी रिसेंट में वो कौन सी है रणवीर सिंह की मूवी, बाजीराव मस्तानी. It was also about the king. So there were many kings. Then here two name is mentioned, that is Mughal Emperor Akbar, who used to rule in the north. North India में rule करने वाले मुगल एम्परर अकबर, जो जोधा अकबर करके मूवी आपने देखी होगी ना, दैट अकबर. एंड कृष्णा देव राया ऑफ विजयनगर in the south are famous in history. They are very famous in history. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. And same like those people, this year it is said that this Shivaji Maharaj also had a great respect even today. Now we will learn more about Shivaji Maharaj. He established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. He was the first to establish Swaraj. And what is Swaraj? Swaraj means our own rule. हमारा खुद का rule. Ruling party हमारा खुद का. For about 400 years ago, before Shivaji Maharaj was not free, a large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bujapur. See, these two kings used to rule over Maharashtra, that is Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultan had divided whole Maharashtra into two parts. The first was Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. He was from Ahmednagar, but he has divided Maharashtra into one part for himself and another of the Adil Shah of the Bijapur for another. Now, see, this is a very interesting subject. We can know what have been before. आज से 400 साल पहले 500 साल पहले क्या हुआ हमको वो चीज़ हमको यहाँ पे मालूम पड़ती है और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. हाउ दिस पीपल हैव फॉट फॉर अनदर, हाउ दिस पीपल हैव मेंटेन पीस, हाउ दे हैव work for any other people, for poor people. So this Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj. He was the first one to establish Swaraj, and Swaraj means self government. Okay, it means self government, our own rule. So now this Maharashtra was divided into two equal parts, and this was because of two sultans. First one is Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, and second is Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now they were not rebel in their own outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. See, these two sultans were very cruel and they were not liberal. दे ऑपरेस द पीपल ओवर दे रूल. वो लोग बहुत परेशान करते थे लोगों को. उन लोगों दे डिड बॉदर्ड अबाउट द पीपल व्हाट दे आर लुकिंग. उन लोगों के अच्छे के लिए, उन लोगों की भलाई के लिए उनको कुछ काम करना. वो लोग इनफैक्ट दे वर फाइटिंग विथ ईच अदर. हर बार वो लोग एक नया वजह लेके वॉर करते थे इधर से उधर. उसमें बहुत सारे लोग का मर जाना, फिर गाँव का लूट जाना, बहुत लोगों को लोग परेशान. They were not bothered why their people were suffered and they were very harassed. The people could not get enough food to eat. Because of this wars, these people was not having enough food to eat, nor they could celebrate their festivals. Even they were not having their independent to celebrate their festival or worship their gods openly and freely. Because of this war and these tensions, they used to fight every now and then, and they were not even bothered. This sultans were not even bothered about their own subject. They were not sure of safety even in their own house. वो लोग हमेशा डर डर में रहते थे, अभी झगड़ा होएगा या तो अभी सामने सामने इसका कोई आएगा हमारे ऊपर वॉर कर देगा, हमारे ऊपर हमला कर देगा, फिर हम लोगों का जो खाना पानी राशन वो है वो लोग सब लूट के लेकर चले जाते थे. सो दिस वॉज नॉट, दे वर नॉट सेफ्टी. देर वॉज नॉट सेफ्टी एंड they used to there was injustice everywhere and they can't even worship their gods. ठीक से वो लोग ना नमाज पढ़ पाते थे ना कुरान पढ़ पाते थे. वर्शिप मीन्स गॉड को प्रे करना. So they can't go. Now in Maharashtra there were many watandars like Deshmukh and Deshpandes who owned jagirs. See, they loved only their jagirs and not their country. Now these people were very, you can say उन लोगों को अपना एक छोटी सी लाइक इफ आई कैन से छोटा छोटा उन लोगों का एरिया होता था. बहुत सारी वहाँ पे उन लोगों दे ओन मैनी हाउसेज, मैनी प्लेसेस, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी जगह है, खुद का घर खुद का सब है. एंड दिस पीपल वर थिंकिंग लाइक उन लोगों को कंट्री की कोई फिक्र नहीं है. वो लोग अपनी अपनी जगह में अपना खुश है बस. They loved only their jagirs and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought a great misery to the people. और constantly they were having many wars. ये उसको मार रहे हैं, वो उसको मारना है, उन लोगों के झगड़े चालू हुए. जो कॉमन पीपल है वो लोग को खाना है नहीं है, उन लोगों को इस चीज़ की कोई मतलब नहीं था, जिस वजह से कॉमन पब्लिक यूज्ड टू सफ़र अ लॉट. देयर वॉज मिसरूल एवरीवेयर, वो लोग अपना जो पावर है उसका गलत फ़ायदा उठा रहे थे. पीपल वर टायर्ड ऑफ द ऑपरेशन एंड वर वेरी अनहैप्पी. वहाँ के जो लोग थे वो खुश नहीं थे और बहुत ही परेशान थे. शिवाजी महाराज सॉ ऑल दिस थिंग. Now see this king, this great king saw all these things. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Now what he did, he established Swaraj, and this brought a great happiness in the people living there. He first brought the book the Vatandars who fought among themselves. उन्होंने क्या किया, सबसे पहले जो वतनदार आपस में लड़ते थे उन लोगों को सबसे पहले उनको रुकाया. ही देन यूज देम इन हिज प्लान टू एस्टेब्लिश स्वराज, और उन्हीं लोगों से अपना काम करवाया. स्वराज को आगे बढ़ाने का काम उन्होंने लोगों से करवाया. These people fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. And then what happened? These people, उन लोगों ने जो कॉमन पब्लिक को परेशान करते थे उन लोगों को, वो सारी चीज़ें उन लोगों ने वहाँ से रुका दी. And he established Hindvi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all caste and religion. Now, this Swaraj, Hindvi Swaraj, he established where justice, fair play, and equal treatment. मतलब हर रिलीजन को सेम देखना है. सब अपने अपने रिलीजन अपने गॉड को वर्शिप कर सकते हैं. देयर वॉज जस्टिस टू ऑल द पीपल. कोई कहीं ऐसा नहीं था कि लोगों को नहीं भाई आप ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो, आप ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. और वो ऑल रिलीजन एंड कास्ट को इक्वली ट्रीट करने लगे. नाउ शिवाजी महाराज मेड नो डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम्स. नाउ ही डजंट मेड कि आप हिंदू हो तो आप ज़्यादा अच्छे हो, आप मुस्लिम हो तो आप ज़्यादा अच्छे हो. उन्होंने क्या किया, सबको इक्वली ट्रीट किया. He honored the saints of all religion. See, saints means the जो एक रिलीजन का जो एक एजुकेटेड इंसान होता है, जो वहाँ उसके बारे में लाइक हिंदूज़ में जैसे साधु होते हैं, मुस्लिम्स में जैसे मौलाना बोलते हैं आप लोग, और कैथलिक्स में क्रिश्चियंस में प्रीस्ट होते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सेंट्स. सो ही ऑनर्ड ऑल द सेंट्स. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं जिस रिलीजन को फॉलो करता हूँ सिर्फ उसी के सेंट्स को मैं ऑनर करता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं. उन्होंने हर सेंट्स को ऑनर किया. वी ड्रॉ इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम दिस नोबल डेट्स ऑफ महाराजा. दैट्स वाई ही इज सो इंस्पिरेशनल फॉर अस. Now here is the exercise. Very first I have the fill in the blanks over here. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was the medieval period. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Now here is oddment out. Swaraj, slavery, freedom. Swaraj and freedom is same thing and slavery is a different. That's why slavery. Okay. People, subjects, king. People and subject is the same and king is different. Now, next is question number 2. Match the following: Emperor of Vijayanagar, Sultan of Ahmednagar, Sultan of Bijapur. Now, next here is write the answer in one sentences. Name the kings who looked after the welfare of the subject. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in north and Emperor Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar in south looked after the welfare of their subject. What? See here the spelling is wrong. You have to write WELFARE. Welfare. What noble task did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. Who did Shivaji Maharaj fight against? Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers that oppressed the people. Now here is dictation word: reverence, Poras, medieval, monarchy, benevolent, commands, liberal, jagirs, watandars, and defeated. Now see here is a activity for this lesson. You have to stick few picture of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in your notebooks, but you have to take the cutouts from the old books or from the newspapers. Okay. Now your homework is you have to copy your exercise in your notebooks, and you have to learn and copy your dictation words. Bye bye.